Hi guys, hope you well, hope you good. It's my friend. Hope you guys are well. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Hope you guys are well. It's a beautiful day here in South Africa. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you enjoyed your Christmas with the family and friends. We had a good time with my family. I'm sure you saw my previous videos. We had an amazing time with my family. We ate a lot of food. I need to go to the gym after this. What you guys doing today? I'm from church with my friend, and we're coming to a place for lunch. Right la. I think I was a phone. Okay, timpake kahle once so that mabefuna ukuphuma. I need to go to the gym after this, guys. I ate so much food. We ate so much food on Christmas Day. So we need to detox. After the new year, we need to detox. What you guys doing? What you guys doing? The new subscribers, you're welcome. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Tandi Ncube van der Fefa. Originally from Zimbabwe and living in South Africa, Slow Town. To the returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys. It's not here. It's at the back. I appreciate you guys. Do not take you for granted. Come with me. We're coming from church. Can you touch the person?
Leave the content outside.
Huh?
Leave the content outside.
Yeah, as I walk. Too many things. What things? The sun is hot though. Yeah? Ayan. This is my friend's place. Oh, okay. Oh, it's easy to come through the garage. You're saying it's easy to come through the garage? You're saying it's easy to come through the garage? No, it's fine. Uthatha mina. Thatha mina. Hamba nga. Yabamba khona.
Careful.
Outfit of the day.
Very nice.
My church outfit, guys.
Yeah, everybody was saying you're looking nice.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
In wilderness.
Yeah, now we're coming to cook lunch. In wilderness, South Africa on the garden route.
Nice.
Okay, guys. Now and have lunch and then just chill. Just chill. What do you think of my earrings? I love them. I bought them for myself for my Christmas present. What do you think of them, guys? Look at them. They're stunning. Stunning. I love them. They look so pretty. They look so pretty. Okay, guys. I'm back, guys. I'm done with the lunch. We're done with the lunch. Now we're sitting, just chilling, having some juice, just chilling and just enjoying the nature, listening to the birds chirping. Look at this. This is what I'm just looking at nature and deep in thoughts, enjoying my afternoon. What you guys doing? What are you guys doing? It's so hot here. I've even changed I'm putting on a skirt now. You can see I'm putting on a skirt now because it's too hot. I changed my pants to a skirt because of the heat. The heat is just too much. What did you do on Christmas, guys? Is the family are you still visiting family, or your family is still around? My family left. My kids left. And my friend left. So it's just me and hubby at home again. We had a lovely Christmas though. We haven't had visitors for Christmas in a long time. So I wasn't used to hosting anymore. Yeah. So I'm enjoying here. Waiting for the New Year's. What are your New Year's resolutions? Two more days before the end of the year of 2024. What are your resolutions for 2025? Mine is to travel, make money, spend time with family. Those are my resolutions for the new year. Yeah. I want to travel and see the world. travel and see the world. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's a lazy Sunday afternoon. Thank you so much. I was just checking in on you guys. I was just checking in. Please watch my videos to the end. Like, subscribe, comment, leave a positive comment. Let me know what you think of my videos. Let's grow this channel together, fam. We can do it. We can do it. Road to 300 subscribers. We can do it. Okay, guys. I love you. And may God bless you.